Hello dear students, good morning everyone. Myself Chandrappa, Sims College Associate Professor. Today we will discuss about the standard costing. How to calculate the standard costing? So depends on the formulas. Once we learn the formula particularly, so we are going to apply the formula as per the questions. So standard costing, normally we are going to calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material mix variance, material usage variance and material yield variance. So in this case also, either we are going to find out proper answer or not, we will find out the verification also. So when verification is wrong, some will become mistakes. So today we will go for very simple sums from standard costing. Calculate material cost variance. MCV stands for material cost variance, MPV stands for material price variance, material usage variance and material yield variance. This is the abbreviations. So normally in the commerce we are going to take only for the abbreviations. Use for the abbreviations, no problem. This is sums. Sums also is very simple. From the following relating to product, from the following information relating to two product. What is the two product? Two product mean material A and material B. See, standard quantity is given, material A 60, material B 36. Standard price, SP stands for standard price 20 rupees and 10 rupees and actual quantity of material A 58 and 38. Actual price also 19 rupee and 11 rupee. Just very simple sums. So you know the formulas. How to apply the formula is very easy to apply the formula. As per the formula you can apply it, will get the easy to that answers. See the formula, first one is an material cost variance. MCV stands for material cost variance. So material cost variance equals standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Standard quantity, see the material A, what is standard quantity? 60. What is standard price? 20. 60 into 20 minus, see the actual quantity, material A 58. What is the actual price? 19. 58 into 19. 60 into 20 minus 58 into 19. 60 into 20, 1200 minus 1102. 58 into 19. So 1200 minus 1102 equals 98 is the answer. Material A, 98 is a answer. 98 is a F stands for favorable, A stands for adverse. Favorable mean cost is less than the investment. So when, for example, I am giving 5 rupees cost, I am going to sell 6 rupees, that is called as favorable. If I am going to sell less than 5 rupees, called as adverse. So cost always more than less than the sales. So material A cost variance answer 98 is a favorable. Next come to the material B. Material B, see the problems. Standard quantity 36, standard price 10, 36 into 10 minus actual quantity 38 minus 11. See this, 36 into 10 minus 38 into 11, 360 minus 418 equals 58. Material A 98 favorable, material B 58 adverse. So 98 minus 58 equals 40 is a favorable. 98 material A favorable, material B 58, one favorable, one adverse. From favorable, adverse should be minus, answer is called as 40 favorable. So these 40, when you are going to verify that 40 is a verification answer is correct, so sum is correct. So final stage it is an 40 for the favorable. So next step, we'll go for the material price variance. So material price variance formulas, material price variance equals actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Material price variance equals actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. So actual quantity also is given, material A 58, 58 into standard price minus actual price. What is standard price of material A? 20. What about B? 19. So actual quantity 58 into 20 standard price minus actual price 19 rupees. So 20 minus 19, 1 rupee into 58. 58 into 1 equals 58 is a favorable answer. Come to the B. Actual quantity 38 into standard price 10 rupee minus actual price 11 rupees. 10 minus 11, 10 minus 11 into 38. So 1 rupee equals 38 into 1, 38 rupees only. See this answer, 20 is a standard price, but actual price 19 is a 1 rupee less, here 1 rupee more. So this is called as adverse and favorable. 58 is a favorable, 38 is a adverse. So answer is comes and 20 is a favorable. So third step, material usage variance. Material usage variance equals standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. SP stand for standard price, SQ stand for standard quantity, AQ stand for actual quantity. So material A, what is the standard price of material A? 20 rupees into what is standard quantity of material A? 60 and minus actual quantity of A 58. 60 minus 58, 2 into 20 equals 40 favorable. So 60 minus 58, 2 into 20, 40 is a favorable. Next come to the material B. 10 is an actual quantity, material B. Standard price of material B 36 minus 38 for actual price. So 36 minus 38 difference is 2 into 10, it comes and 20 is an adverse. 20 is an adverse. So 40 material A favorable, material B 20, 40 minus 20 equals 20 is a favorable. So now already find out material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. So this is answer, already we find out the answer. How we are going to verify? Either it is a right or wrong, is a correct answer, we are going to find out as per the formula, we are going to apply it or not, check once again. Come to the verification column. So now final step, it is an verification. How to find out the column? Material cost, you are going to find out the answer of material cost variance, because already I told material cost variance is a 40, either is a 40 or not. Material cost variance equals material price variance plus or minus either favorable or adverse material usage variance. Material price variance equals cost variance equals material price variance plus or minus material usage variance. What is the material price variance? 20 is a favorable. 20 is a favorable. See, and final answer 20 is a favorable. Material plus or minus material usage variance also 20. 20 price variance favorable, usage variance also favorable. So now 20 plus 20 equals 40 favorable. Suppose it becomes an 1 favorable and 1 adverse should be minus. Here both of them it comes an adverse, it is not an adverse, it is an favorable. So 20 favorable plus 20 favorable equals 40 is a favorable. Come back to the material cost variance. See the cost variance. So 98 favorable, 58 adverse, total answer comes 40 favorable. So as per the verification column, material cost variance is 100% tally. So now as per the formula, we are going to apply for the formula, we will get the answers. So thank you very much. So already we learned one example from the standard costing and come back to one more example for the standard costing, same. But he is given the standard quantity and standard price in the rupees only, but now we are taking the standard quantity in kgs. First examples actually one favorable and one adverse. But in this example, so we have that material cost variance and material price variance, material X and Y, both of them it comes an adverse. How it comes an adverse, how it comes an favorable. When it comes an adverse, both should be added. When it comes an adverse and favorable, 1 plus and 1 minus. So we are already we find out first example favorable and adverse, but here how it is an apply for the favorable and adverse. So now he is given same format, material also is given, material X and Y, here also two product, standard quantity in kgs, 800 quantity of material X and Y 1200 quantity, standard price also is given 4 rupee and 3 rupees and actual quantities also in kgs 850 and 1150, 1150. Standard price is given, actual price is given, actual price 4.25 and 3.50, 4 rupee 25 paise and 3 rupee 50 paise. He is given the fraction. Okay. How we are going to apply for the fractions also. So first come back to the material cost variance. So variances mean material cost variances, price variances, material usage variance and mix variance and yield. That is main format of the standard costing. So now first we will go for the material cost variances. Material cost variance formula, standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Standard quantity also is given in the questions, standard price also is given, actual quantity also is given in the sums and actual price also is given. So now how we are going to apply the formula. First one, what is the material, go for material X. What is the material X standard quantity? 800 kgs. What is the standard price? 4 rupees. 800 into 4, 1200 minus actual quantity 850 into 4.25, 4.25. So 3200 minus 3612.50. Answer 412 is an adverse. Material X adverse 412.5. So same come to the material Y. 1200 it is an standard quantity, standard price of rupees 3, actual quantity 1150, actual price 3 rupee 50 paise. 1203 3600 minus 1150 into 3 rupee 50 paise 4025. 3600 minus 4025 equals 425 is an adverse. See these sums, X also adverse, Y also adverse. In previous example, X favorable, Y adverse, but here both the material of X and Y it comes an adverse form. So now 412.5 plus 425, answer is comes an 837.5 is an adverse, 837.5 should be add. When it comes an adverse, X and Y should be add. When it comes an favorable, that time all should be add. One favorable, one adverse, it should be minus. So come back to the material price variance. So material price variance formula, actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. So X actually actual quantity is given 850 into standard price also 4 rupees and actual price also 4 rupee 25 paise. 850 into 0.25, 4 minus 4.25, difference is called as 0.25. 800 into 0.25 is answer is comes and 212.5 is an adverse. 212.5 is an adverse. Come back to the material Y also same. Actual quantity 1150, 3 rupees standard price minus 350. 3 minus 350, 0.50. 0.50 into 1150, answers comes and 575. Here also material X also adverse, Y also adverse. So 212 adverse, 575 also adverse, both of them should be added. Total answer 787.5 is an adverse. So previous example, one adverse, one favorable, but here cost variance also adverse and price variance also adverse. So now come back to the material usage variance. Material usage variance formula, standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Next go for the material X, same process. Standard price is given 4 rupee, standard quantity also is given 800, actual quantity also is given 850. So now 800 minus 850, answer is comes on 50. 50 into 4, 5 4s are 20, mean 200. It is also adverse. Next material Y, standard price rupees 3, standard quantity 1200, actual quantity 1150. 1200 minus 1150, difference 1200 and 1150, 50 only. 50 into 3, so 150. 53 is a 150 is unfavorable. So here material usage variance, X adverse, Y favorable. So one adverse, one favorable mean should be minus 200 minus 150, remaining 50 is an adverse. 50 is an adverse. So now material cost variance over, price variance also over, material usage variance also over. How it is an right answer or wrong, just we will go for the verification. Just we are going to take the solutions. So how we are going to find out the verification? Go for the material cost variance. Material cost variance already we find out 837.5. We will find out the answer. That you have to use the formula, material cost variance equals price variance plus or minus material usage variance. Material price variance 787.5 is an adverse, plus or minus 50 for material usage variance. Material usage variance we have that already 200 material A and 150 material B, so 50 is an adverse. Here also 787.5 adverse and plus 50, totally 837.5 is an adverse. So same answer 837.5, check it the material cost variance. Same 837.5 is there, it is an 100% right answer as per the formula we are going to apply. Check out the material cost variance. What is the material cost variance? Is comes to the answer 837.5. So this is a standard costing, but you should proper formula should be applied, and we have that 4 variance is very important: cost variance, price variance, usage variance and yield material yield variance also. So this is a standard costing of third examples. Today we are going to discuss about the third examples of standard costing. So totally we are going to discuss 2 examples today. So one is adverse and favorable. When it comes in both the material X and Y is adverse, and X and Y it comes in favorable and adverse. So today examples both we are going to discuss. So thank you very much.